some of you may know or may not know that we moved from Indiana. We spent, what, 14 years there? 15 years there?
14, 13.
Enough for our youngest to swear she's a Hoosier, even though she was born in PA. Anyways, some of the things we miss. Our friends. Quite a few friends. The football fields. The park. Just some things. White Castle. There's no White Castle where we're living. It's Crystal. Not even close. Anyways, one of the things that we used to be able to get at King Roger, the Kroger market, and the market district in Carmel, for those of you guys know Carmel area, is something that we can't get down here. We can, however, go to every now and then when it's fancy time and we gotta go out to eat and gotta get sharp, do my hair, get all that stuff done. We go out to eat to Morton's, and there's an appetizer I always get. My wife always gets, well, she's a toss-up. She either gets the scallops or
oysters.
And what do I always get?
The bacon.
Oh,
the
yes.
fat bacon.
The Nueske's bacon. Hold on.
What the hell is he doing?
Hopefully you can figure out how to fast forward that.
What the hell is that?
Because I got Nueske's bacon.
Oh my
So,
God.
I got the oven's been preheated. Because this is a test run, just a test run. Just a little friendly test run. Got a case of Nueske's bacon. Thank you, Michael's Kitchen, for ordering and placing your order and yada yada yada. Yeah, I know the man. But anyways, $10 off my next order. You guys can't tell I'm a little excited here. Oh, fancy schmancy. Oh, fancy schmancy. Luckily, Alicia's not here because she'd be...
Yeah, just stop popping.
she'd start popping the bejesus out of that. And then we got some...
Dry ice.
Can be reused to keep food and items cool. So, look at that. Buy Nueske's bacon, get ice packs for your cooler later on. And we got a cooler. I'm telling you, this is a win-win. What's the problem be? Is there a problem here? Can I talk?
Yeah, you can talk.
First one up. Oh, the oven is telling me.
Stop it! My car's moving all over
The oven is telling me we got applewood, thick cut bacon steaks. Got one of those. Got two of those. Got cherry wood. So, I don't know which one's better, so I got cherry wood and applewood. I know the applewood's the winner, but since I'm cooking bacon, I may as well try it. So, I'm going to try these real quick. So, let me get my sheet pan ready. So, be right back after the break. So, I got my oven, I mentioned that already, heated up. I preheated at 375. I got a bacon sheet lined with parchment paper. And again, this is just a test session. This isn't rocket science. We're just trying some things out here. And I'll peel. Look at that sexy peel. Oh, none of that Oscar Mayer stuff. Nothing's wrong with Oscar Mayer, but this is Nueske's. Anyways, take out. For this test, we're gonna take out 2 of the thick cut, and I'm gonna do one here. And then one here. And this side is going to be our applewood. Now we're going to mark it. Maybe I'll put an A here. Babe, what's wrong, babe?
No, the other one, put it the other way.
Yeah, that's going to help me out because they're both me facing out. I'm going to put A and C.
No. Oh, yeah.
So A for apple, and then I'll take the 2 wild cherry wood. And when I'm smoking, I always have, if the missus wants to take a picture underneath my smoker, I always have applewood and I have cherry wood. So now I'm gonna give my hands a quick rinse since I touched the bacon. If you guys weren't recording, I'd be smelling my fingers to see if it smells like the apple wood.
Well, I can edit it up anyway.
Those of you that don't know, Nueske's is the apple wood. I'm sorry, yeah, the apple wood for sure is smoked for 24 hours. So,
Open it and the other one the other way. No, the other way.
then C for cherry.
Gosh, what the hell is he doing?
A for apple wood, C for cherry. Done.
¿Está bien?
And to the oven we go. 375 for 15 to 20 minutes. No flipping, just leave it on there until it's time. And here we go. I'll do 16 minutes and check. 20 minutes are up. It's Nueske time. For those of you that hate cooking baking at home, that's the way to cook it. You don't got to deal with the smoke and the splatter and all that stuff. Just put it in the oven for 15, 20 minutes. This is thicker, so you got to do 20 minutes. But a thin cut, 15 minutes tops. And this is my A for apple, right? Mm-hmm. Ooh. Look at that. And that's the one that has been smoked for 24 hours. And this is the cherry wood, which I think someone else may like better because it's an uncured bacon. So we'll go ahead and rest that there for a few minutes to drain off some of that gorgeous fat. And then I had to make a project of trying to figure out how to save this bacon fat for later on. But that said, Nueske's, if you want anyone to taste for you, go ahead and send me stuff because I'll taste all day long. You gotta see how excited I am. When I was like, you're excited for bacon? Yeah, it's Nueske's bacon. Anyways, here we go. So I'm gonna taste the one I think the missus may like better first, which is this was the C for wild cherry wood smoked. So I'll slice that and I'll slice a piece for the camera operator. But I think I'll go first. So this is the cherry wood one. If you haven't had Nueske's, you just don't know what you're missing. But I feel bad for her.
The smoke flavor.
Now I'll do the apple wood. This is the reason Nueske is famous for that apple wood. And I'll taste that apple wood. This one I don't think I'm going to share.
Why not?
So here's the apple wood. Oh.
Let me taste. Yo te digo a qué sabe. It's even better.
I think I know what I'm having for lunch tomorrow. That said, if you like the video, like the video. Comment down below if you want us to try anything in particular, especially with this Nueske's bacon, and subscribe for more comment. Nueske's, if you're out there, send me more stuff. I have no problem coming up with recipes and getting people excited about Nueske's bacon. That said, a buen tiempo. And I'm going in for more. I'm not waiting for y'all before my daughter comes and steals some of this bacon.